Hello everyone and welcome to CScalp TV. We often hear questions about how to overcome tilt, which so often ruins our statistics and trading. Before we talk about it, take a look at the description under the video with useful resources, including free CScalp scalping course that will help you to enhance your trading qualities. Now let's discuss the topic. The main skills of a trader go down to, first of all, analytics and ability to read the order book, your analysis and ability to see market inefficiency, then a reliable trading system that you should adhere to very strictly, and finally, the most important factor, psychological factor. The psychological factor is the most important element. It takes years to develop, and which is the main barrier to profitable and stable trading. You can have a perfect sense of the order book, analytical skills, ability to take advantage from different market inefficiencies, but the inability to curb your emotions will cross out all your skills and your trading finally will go down the drain. If you can't be stronger than your greed, you have no chances to become a profitable trader. The psychological factor always rests on emotional control, and the emotional control in turn is expressed in resistance to tilt and controlled trading. How to deal with this in order to prevent the tilt? First of all, strict rules of the trading system. Each element of your trading system must be objectively measurable. For example, you have 3 attempts to enter only one trade, and this rule cannot be exceeded, cannot be infringed. Exceeding these attempts will close you to the tilt, and you should by any means decrease this probability. So you should include only measurable and objective elements in your trading system that you can easily evaluate whether you are following them or not, whether your situation that you're gonna trade corresponds to the rules or not. Second, avoiding tilt. It's almost impossible to fight the tilt because it's extremely hard to be stronger than your emotions. It's much easier to avoid tilt. Drawdown per day and per trade will help here. Avoid breaking these rules. If you lost 5% of the deposit, it's normal. It's absolutely normal, and just stop trading and go for some exercises, meditation, or just watch movie. Take it easy. Day drone is your emotional stop loss. And finally, attitude to loss. Loss is the fixed cost of finding entry points. The loss will always follow you, but the right thing is to make your trading that will provide you such a system that all your profit will be higher than your losses. The right attitude towards losses will make their acceptance not so dramatic for your mentality, first of all, and the return to trading for the sake of the process will be the ideal continuation of trading. If the motive is to compensate your previous loss, you should continue to rest and chill till you get the right motivation, just to trade again, just to trade for the sake of the process, not for the sake of earning money or compensating your previous loss. There was 3 quite obvious but extremely important and effective steps to fight the tilt. Please share your tips and life hacks in the comments how you fight tilt, and please offer your ideas about the next videos. Thank you for your attention. The video was prepared by the CScalp Training Terminal team.